Hi guys, welcome and let's solve this question. I read the question given that j over 7 minus 4j is equals to a plus bj, find a and b. And so guys, we now solve this question. The first thing we are going to do, we are going now to divide I over 7 minus 4j. And in doing so, guys, we are now going to look for a conjugate so that we multiply both sides by the conjugate. That is to rationalize this denominator. And so therefore, guys, we can now use the conjugate 7 plus 4j. And on this other side, guys, we still do the same so that we don't change the equation. And now doing that, guys, we are going to have our equation is going to be, for the numerator, we shall have 7j plus 4j squared, while for the denominator, that comes to 49 minus 16j squared. And therefore, guys, continuing to do that, we shall have 7j. Now, for this, we know that j squared is actually equals to -1. And so therefore, this now comes to -4. This is over. Now 49 minus 16j squared, this now comes to 16. That is plus 16 because j squared is the same as -1. -1 multiplied by negative comes now to positive. And so therefore, guys, now our equation is now going to be 7j minus 4 all over. We can add that. That comes to 5, 6. And therefore, separating the real part and the imaginary part, we shall have -4 all over 65. Now plus 7 over 65j. Guys, we are asked to find a as the real part and b as the imaginary part. And so the real part, guys, is going to be a equals to -4 over 65. And the imaginary part, which is b, is now going to be, since we don't have now to put j, this now comes to 7 over 65. Because remember that here we have bj. So j is already known. So what we are putting is the real part of the imaginary part. And that is 7 over 65. And so guys, these are our solution. Thank you guys for listening to me. Bye bye.